Stormworms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel 7a for Verizon Prepaid. So the Pixel 7a is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It is now available in 3 colors: snow, sea, and charcoal color options. 128 gigabytes of storage, and it is $549.99 for retail price in the contract, of course. So yeah, so Verizon is selling this Pixel 7a for $50 more than the unlock version of $499.99. So that is pretty interesting, but this is Verizon that we're talking about here, so it is what it is, guys. So there is the Pixel 7a, a budget Pixel. So if you guys are looking to get a budget Pixel device, the Pixel 7a is the phone for you to check out. So if you guys know what the Pixel 7 line looks like, it's basically the same exact design and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and check it out here. So the Pixel 7a, front and back right there. You guys got your whole punch there for your front facing camera. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Back of the phone has a dual camera setup, camera flash, Google logo and whatnot. And it has that camera hump down the back. There's the front bit right there. Depending on what color that you guys get, will have like different your wallpaper will be different. So this is the sea color that they have showing up here. So if you change it to like the snow color, you guys will see that the wallpaper now is like a whitish color. And then if you change it to the charcoal color option here, you guys will see that the wallpaper is a lot darker on the charcoal color. Then on the back is like a dark gray color, which is very nice, which is like my favorite color of the phone in my personal opinion. I do like the charcoal color. I think that's the best color in my opinion, but that's just my personal opinion. But you can't go wrong with, you cannot go wrong with none. You cannot go wrong with 3 of these colors. You cannot go wrong. You can't. They all look very nice. But my personal favorite is the charcoal color version. So let's continue, shall we? So there's the front of the phone, like I said. Right side of the phone, power button, volume keys. There it is right there, power button, volume keys. And you do have the camera hump down the back, so be mindful of that. It's very minimal, so not too bad. There's the back right there, Google logo, your camera hump, dual camera setup, and your flash. Very nice looking phone. There's the back right there. Left side. And there's the front and back of it once again. I think your SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone, I believe. So yeah. So the Pixel 7a is 2.8 inches in width, 6 inches in height, 205 hours of standby time, 21.7 hours of usage time, 64 megapixel quad PD, quad Bayer wide camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide camera on the rear. The camera features on the rear, you guys have photo unblur, magic eraser, night sight, long exposure, gold tone, face on blur, panorama, manual white balancing, log folder, top shot, portrait mode, portrait light, super res zoom, motion autofocus, frequent faces camera. So pretty cool. Meet Pixel 7a, engineered by Google. The Google Tensor G2 chip makes it fast enough to keep up with your busy days. The Pixel camera takes amazing photos and video, and VPN by Google One protects your online activity. Pixel 7a features are rated highest. Pixel 7a features are rated highest in security, and the battery lasts all day. Bring together your Pixel phone, Pixel Buds, and Pixel Watch for personalized help throughout your day. Pair Pixel 7a with Verizon, the network America relies on, and experience ultra-fast connectivity with Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband network. now available in even more places. Okay. So yeah, the brains behind Pixel 7a. So basically the same processor as you guys would see in the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. So that's very good there. So it says here, Google Tensor G2 makes Pixel 7a fast, secure, and efficient. With improved audio calls, long battery life, and stunning photos and videos, phone calls are easier with Pixel Call Assist, a set of features that help with everything from making calls to avoiding spammers. Plus, Pixel can filter out your caller's background noise and enhance their voice so you can hear them clearly even in noisy places. The adaptive battery lasts over 24 hours or up to 3 days with extreme battery saver and charges wirelessly, so you guys can get the Pixel stand, which is pretty cool, which you guys want to purchase that separately, obviously. So yeah, great photos made simple. The photo unblur feature on Pixel 7a easily sharpens your pictures, even ones taken with non-Pixel phones. With Magic Eraser, make distractions or photo bombers disappear, or change the color and brightness in an object so an object blends right in. With Night Sight, you can capture city lights, portraits in low light, and starry skies with astrophotography and Pixel and in real time accurately and beautifully represents the nuance of diverse skin tones in your photos, secured to the core. With Google Tensor G2 and the certified Titan M2 security chip, Pixel 7a is built with multiple layers of security to help keep your personal information safe. VPN by Google One protects your online activity and any app or web browser at no extra cost. Pixel 7a has IP67 protection, so splashes and dust are no big deal. And it's scratch resistant with Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and with Face Unlock and Fingerprint Unlock, you can quickly and securely access your phone with a glance or tap. So there you go. Switching to Pixel is easy. There's no other phone like Pixel. It's smarter. It's a smartphone that delivers custom help whenever and wherever you need it. It makes every photo stunning and can even fix your old ones. It improves the calls you want and screens the ones you don't. Pixel gets innovative new features every time, so you don't have to keep getting a new phone. No matter what phone you are switching from, you can transfer contacts, messages, photos, and apps to your Pixel in a few simple steps. So that's very cool. So yeah, because Pixel devices work even better together. So you guys said that this is the Pixel device here. I'm guessing this is the Pixel 7a that's shown here. Then you guys get the Pixel Watch and the Pixel Buds right there. So pretty cool. So it says here the Pixel phones, Pixel Watch, and Pixel Buds work together seamlessly for personalized help throughout your day. With fast pair, quickly paired devices switch from one to the other and share photos and videos, share photos and links, enjoy music, games, and shows on the go, and easily move them from one device to another, manage compatible lights, locks, and more from anywhere if you misplace your Pixel phone watch or earbuds, you can easily locate them on a map or by sound. So that is very nice to have there. So if you misplace your Pixel device, you should be able to find it with ease. Even more helpful accessories for your Pixel. Like I was talking about, this have the wireless charging pad right there. You guys will have to buy that separately, of course. This is the Pixel Stand 2nd Gen, so check it out. So it says here, charge your Google products quickly with the 30-watt USB-C charger. It's compact enough to take wherever you go, or wirelessly charge your Pixel or Pixel Buds Pro with Pixel Stand. It even turns your phone into a mini display for photos while it's charging, so that's very cool there. Specs: the Pixel 7a is 6 inches in height, 2.8 inches in width, and 0.4 inches depth. The Pixel 7a weighs 6.8 ounces. It has a Type-C charging port, which is pretty much standard. Your color options are charcoal, snow, and sea color options. They all look very nice. My personal favorite is the charcoal color version. Materials on the Pixel 7a is the aluminum, and the housing is 100% recyclable. Is 100% recyclable content. Recycled aluminum is at least 15% of product based on weight. Screen: full screen, 6.1 inches, full HD plus 1080 by 2400. It has an OLED display, 429 ppi, Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for protection. It has a 90 Hz refresh rate, 20:9 aspect ratio, 205 hours of standby time. 27.1 hours of usage time, 4300 milliamp, or says 4385 milliamp battery. It does have fast charging, and it does have wireless charging as well. Front camera 13 megapixels. The rear camera, you get 2 of them. You get 64 megapixel quad PD, quad Bayer. Wide camera 13 megapixel ultra wide camera in the rear. Camera modes: you guys get photo on blur, magic eraser, night sight, long exposure, real time, face on blur, panorama, manual white balancing, log folder, top shot, portrait mode, portrait light super resin, motion auto focus, frequent faces. The video with the rear camera, I'm guessing this is the main camera on the rear. Records in 4K at 30 and 60 frames, 1080p at 30 frames and 60 frames. The front camera records in 4K at 30 and 1080p at 30 frames per second. It has a Google Tensor G2 chip and a Titan M2 security code processor there. It has Android 13 on board. Memory: 8 GB of DDR5 RAM, 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. You can use hotspot up to 10 devices on this phone. Fingerprint unlock with under display fingerprint sensor and face unlock, pattern pin password Azure security options. Bluetooth 5.3, Google Assistant, of course. 5G nationwide. It also has 5G ultra wideband as well, 4G as well, Google and roaming network. World device, SAR ratings, Wi-Fi 8. It has Wi-Fi 6E support. It has 802.11 AX, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, 6 GHz Wi-Fi. So, yeah. If you guys need help with your Pixel 7a, Verizon is here to help you out with that. So it says here, Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is your Pixel 7a smartphone, Type-C to Type-C cable, quick switch adapter, support card, and your SIM ejection tool. You guys will have to provide your own charging brick if you guys don't have one. So yeah, there you guys go. The Pixel 7a is now here at Verizon Prepaid, available in all three colors: snow, sea, and chocolate color options. It's $549.99, no contracts, of course. So Verizon is selling this phone for $50 more than what Google is selling theirs for $49.99. So that's Verizon for you. So you will have to pay a bit more to get the Pixel 7a on Verizon, but it's definitely worth it. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a budget Pixel device, the Pixel 7a is the phone to check out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.